Hi. Some time back, a player asked a question about help should game try. Should it be alerted and explained? Of course, he had a situation in mind that he had faced that day earlier, but it got me thinking. So, here are my thoughts with respect to that particular question. The deal you are seeing here is one I played a few months back, perhaps last September, October, or sometime. But that is very relevant. So my partner opened one note room and South bid two club, alerted and explained as don't. Now I was looking at Ace Queen Jack 6-2 of clubs, and of course partner had opened a note room, so I knew that two club was likely a misexplanation because don't would be club plus another suit. I passed and the contract duly went 4 down. North South were vulnerable, so we got 400 and a good score. What does this deal tell you? That tells us that South used the name of a convention without really understanding what it was. He probably meant to play two club to show a single shooter hand, Ella Capiletti. What he went about announcing was don't. Either he didn't realize he had said don't, or perhaps he didn't really know what don't was. Now, in this case, that explanation hurt his side. What if that explanation was relevant to what we did later? So, if I had, say, Pie Carter Heart, then my next bid would have depended on what the explanation of two club was. But we'll come to that some other time. At this point, let us only note that the bidder himself may not know what the convention means. So even when it is alert and self explanation, you may not end up getting the right explanation because the name of a convention was mentioned and not what it means. Okay, let us now go to other deal. I played this deal a few months back in a pairs tournament. This was deal 25. So North opened one spade, South, South raised to 2. North bid 3 diamond, which was alerted and explained as help. So help should game try. South bid 4 club and North bid 4 spade. My partner laid 2 of hearts, which was third or fifth best. 3 from dummy. I won the ace. So this was one possibility I considered. So I knew that North started with either 3 or 5 hearts because partner's lead was third or fifth best. And of course I knew that North had 5 spades. So it could be 5-4-3-1 or 5 in hearts was possible and maybe 3 diamonds. But let's say this was one possibility. What would be the correct defense? If I played Diamond King, then declarer would be able to get two roughs in the dummy because he can say duck a diamond. If I shift to spade, he can win spade ace. Then play king of heart, rough a heart. On ace king of clubs, discard a diamond and then play ace of diamond, rough a diamond and give an open spade trick. So he would make 4 spades easily if I shifted to diamond king. If this was north hand, let us ask GIB. As you can see, GIB says only the spade shift can beat. So if I shift to spade, then declarer cannot get two roughs in dummy. And then, because I am preventing a run of clubs, declarer would have had to play heart king ruff, club ace king ruff, but he won't be able to discard a diamond, because if he can play diamond ace ruff, and if when he plays a club, I would be able to ruff. Of course, whenever needed, we could take out second trump. So if he tries to duck a diamond sometime, we'd take out the second trump, and that would be it. And since I had higher trumps than 542, my 763, there was no other worry. So spade shift seemed right in case this was north hand. So I shifted to spade. And then what was the north hand? Turned out that this was north hand. North could have taken ace of spades, then played king of heart, ruffed heart. He knew that hearts were 3-3 from the lead of heart. 2. And then on club ace king, he could discard 2 diamonds and then just give a spade and diamond open and make. Of course, North made a slight error by playing jack of spades. My partner won with king of spade, and it would have been hard for him to shift a diamond from ace. So he played another spade. But then declarer didn't need two ruffs. He just needed one ruff, heart king, heart ruff, and two diamonds went on club ace king, and the contract made. Now the question is, what was that help suit game try? What did it mean? Before playing my card to second trick, I did ask dummy what that three diamond was. He said help suit. He just shrugged and said help suit. Now recollect the deal I showed first, where the player typed don't, and he himself didn't know what don't meant, or he maybe made a mistake in typing don't instead of capital T. But in this case, my question is the meaning of help suit game try clear? Does everybody play it the same way? Is it right? Is it sufficient just to say help suit game try? Or should South explain it as the weakest side suit, maybe three small cards or three small cards to queen or whatever? Does that help suit game try suffice as an explanation? So let us look at what people have written about help suit game try. I checked the 6th edition of Bridge Encyclopedia. There, it doesn't even explain the help suit game try under help suit game try. It says look up weak suit game try. So it equates help suit game try with weak suit game try. Now, there is one website that has a reasonable description about this. This is Bridgebump website. It has some good resources on conventions and a few other bridge things. So I just made a quick check with that. So help suit game try may occur after one heart to heart, one spade to spade, which was the situation. It says partnership styles vary, but typically it shows 3 to 4 card suit with exactly one of the top 3 honors. Not 2, not 3. So it could be either queen, king or ace as per this website. Okay. Now it contrasts help suit game try with long suit game try. And of course, as I said, encyclopedia actually equates it with a weak suit game try. But then this website, the Bridgebum website, goes on to say that I have suggested roughly 2 to 2.5 losers. Now 2 losers means one top honor. So that could be queen small small or ace small small or anything. But it is very clear that Ideas about help suit game try differ from person to person, pair to pair. So some may play it as the weakest suit that could be 3 or 4 small cards, or maybe 3 or 4 cards headed by queen at the most. So some may allow ace or king. In which case, it follows that a complete and correct explanation would rather be a description of that help suit rather than just mention that it is help suit game try. And of course, this website also mentions the well-known author Mark Smith, and in his 25 bridge conventions you should know, he says the suit is headed by queen at most. So anything from 3 or 4 small cards to queen 4 cards with at least 2 losers. Doesn't say about ace, doesn't say about king, which means again that perceptions differ, and it would be much better to get an explanation in terms of what the suit has rather than a cryptic, coded, conventional help suit game try. Once again, these were the two competing possibilities. Is 4 carded diamond here and 3 small diamonds here. Now if I had known that this help suit could be 3 or 4 small and at best 4 to queen, then diamond king is simply what the doctor ordered. I would have shifted to diamond king without batting an eyelid. But as I said, if it could be ace to 4 cards, then there was a question whether to shift to a spade or to play king of diamonds. So my verdict about this is the question of whether to alert or not will leave to lawmakers, and that may vary from jurisdiction to jurisdiction. But how to explain that bid, I would rather like that the explanation be given in terms of what that help suit could have rather than just a cryptic help suit. What do you think? Please let me know. If you have any questions, do please ask. I'll be happy to answer. I hope you liked the discussion. Thanks for joining. Bye.